Hi teachers, my name is Jenny. Today let's take a look at our new features that may help your teaching sessions become more effective. In live teaching sessions, there is a new button, Show Gallery, on the toolbar now. A modal will appear when you click on it. There are two tabs, eBook and Course. In the first tab, you can see your books or previous books of student with learning progress. You can upload your own books by clicking on Upload. Make sure that your document is a PDF file. In the Course tab, you can see all available courses in LetTutor. You can choose one and select one of topics of the course. When you select a document, you and your student's screen will turn into teaching mode like this. You can draw, zoom, change pages, and all these activities will be synced with the student. You can stop presenting by clicking on Stop Present button. I hope you have interesting moments with our new features.